What's up, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Bow, bow. You guys know what it is. Night Flight Edition, man. Propel Maximum X11 plus Wi-Fi. No prop guards. Took the prop guards off that Joker. Check it out. You got the gray props in the front, black in the back. We're gonna check it out for a quick night flight, man. You already know how I rock, man. Punch that like button, smash that subscribe button, click that notification bell. It's 2021, man. You already know how we coming, man. Hope you guys enjoy the channel. So yeah, man, look at this drone. Real nice, has a camera on there. We ain't worried about the camera though. We're just gonna pop this little joker in there. It does have altitude hold. Nice transmitter though. I like this transmitter. We're just gonna jump into the higher rate. Yeah, jump into the higher rate. Yeah, man. So let's see. So this is the high rate. I like the way this thing flies without the prop guards. Didn't fly too bad with the prop guards though either. This thing is a pretty excellent flyer. So we popping out for a nightcap. Ooh, the white. The light up front is actually white. I didn't notice that. It's hard to notice that light up front in the daytime of what color it actually is. But that's nice. Actually a white light up front. Check it out. Nice little headlight up front for orientation with the gray props, and then you got the red light in the back. Just like a car. That's real nice orientation for beginners to night flight it. Flips for you guys. Oh yeah, that's nice. So yeah, basically orientation of just like a car. Red brake lights in the back and bright white spotlight in the front. So this is a higher rate. So I'll have some fun flying this guy. I wish they had LEDs on the motor pods. It'd be a lot easier to see. I mean, it's not too bad, but it'd be a lot easier to see if it had LEDs on each arms, but it don't, but it's cool. You can see it good enough. Propel Maximum X11 plus Wi-Fi. This is actually my Christmas drone. One my mom got me, and it's perfect for a Christmas drone because it's that candy red, that red Christmassy looking color. You know what I'm saying? See some funnels on that boy. And for a toy grade transmitter, this is one of the best transmitters that actually I've ever felt for a toy grade transmitter. It's pretty nice with these gimbals and stuff on here. Propel makes excellent quads. They do. They be doing a thug thizzle. Yeah, man. Check it out. Check it on out. Excellent flyer. Flies for a decent amount of time too. Has a great flight time on this guy. Proprietary battery on it. Like the only downfall, so you got to get the battery from them, but it's a good, decent flight time on this guy. Take that joker up. I mean, this thing is an excellent flyer. We're on pass. Yeah, man. The X11, guys. Another thing I like about this one is you don't necessarily have to pick this one up online. I know a lot of the quads I review are most of the ones you got to pick up online and order them online. This one you can actually get it in the store. You can get this from like Target or Walmart or one of them stores like that. So you can actually pick this guy up easily. And it's a good flyer. I have no complaints. It's a good flyer. My first night flight with it. As you can see, because I didn't know it had that white light up front. I actually thought the light up front was red like the back because I couldn't really tell during the day. But it's actually a white light. That's dope. Has excellent range, even with the camera. When I'm flying it with the camera with the Wi-Fi on it, I don't notice any lag in this guy. Flips on the go, so you can flip and keep flying. Look at that. And just keep going. Just keep going. Oh yeah, it's a good flyer, man. Get it all up in your fin ace real quick. Get it all up in your grizzle. The maximum X11 plus Wi-Fi. All up in your face. Your boy Joe's a dog. Ha, ha, bow. Bow. Yeah, man. Giving you the business. Giving you the business here. Please believe it. And it's cold out here too. It's got a decent flight time even in the cold. I'm trying to tucker out that battery while I'm out here freezing. We got a car coming. Beware of the car. Throw the brakes on it. Throw the brakes on that boy. Yeah, this thing is very responsive. Even with the altitude hold on it. Can't beat a nice good old flyer, man. Can't beat a nice good old flyer. Oh yeah, she's a high flyer too. She's a high flyer. Check her out. She gets up there. She definitely gets up there. Quiet too. Not gonna really bother your neighbors while you flying it. Just a winner, man. This thing is a winner. Look at that. Let's funnel it up there. Funnel up high. There's our flashing lights. Let's bring it on down so you guys can see the flashing lights. Come down pretty quick for altitude hold too. Look at that. Flashlights on that guy. Check it out. It's flashing. It's flashing. It's blinking. It's blinking. All right. All right, I feel you, buddy. Throttle down. Throttle down. Throttle down. There you go. Propel maximum X11 plus Wi-Fi. Bow! Your boy Jones and Dogs. Appreciate you guys for checking out this night flight with me. I would appreciate it if you haven't subscribed already to go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I'm hitting you guys with exclusive night flights all the time and exclusive drone reviews. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out. Deuces.